Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Planner 5D app to design the floor plans and the interior layouts from scratch, even if you have no prior design experience. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you are planning to try Planner 5D for yourself, you can just check out the link that is given in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of planner5d.com. Now, once you are here, you will see this prompt on the home page itself that says free floor plan creator software. So before hopping on how you can get started with it and how you can create your own project, we need to briefly understand what it actually is. So as the name suggests, Planner 5D is an online home design and the floor planning tool that lets you create the detailed house layouts, room designs, and interior concepts using a visual editor. You can design the rooms in 2D mode, you can switch instantly to the 3D mode, add the furnitures, change the materials, and adjust the room sizes, and even create the realistic renders. This particular software used commonly by the homeowners that are planning their renovations, interior designers that are creating the mockups, real estate professionals, and even beginners who just want to visualize their space before building or remodeling. So here, when you come on this page and click on the option of pricing, in order to see whether they give you the free version or not, you will be happy to know that they have given you a bunch of different features absolutely for free in their basic plan. So with the help of their basic plan, you will be able to create the floor plans and use some of the basic furniture items. However, you need to understand that their advanced features and the custom materials and HD renders and some of the other export options are logged behind the pro versions. Their pro version is going to start with around $5 per month. So if you are interested, you can just simply take a look at these, but for now we will go with their free plan. So here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the sign in option. You can sign in here with the help of your email address. Once you have done that, click on the option of my project. Now it is going to redirect you here inside your dashboard, which is going to look something like this. Over here in the left hand side, it will show you all of the projects, all of the renders and the textures that the platform provides you. Now I want you to click on the all projects option, where click on the option of new project. Now as soon as you do this, it is going to basically ask you first whether you want to start from scratch or you want to use their smart wizard option, which is going to use basically AI in order to generate the design for you. Then if you already have a plan, you can click on the option of import a plan and you can import that over here. After that, we have the option of templates. So Planner 5D is going to provide you certain templates. You can choose any one of these and start customizing right away. In the My Projects section, you will see all of the projects that you have created previously. So if you want to open any of your previously created projects, you can just use this option. You can also hire a designer on the platform itself. So among these given options, you can choose any one of these. But for this video, I'm going to click on the option of start from scratch because I want to show you how the dashboard is going to look and how the main editor layout is going to look. So as you can see, this is our main editor. Here on the top left hand corner, you will see the floor you are on currently. Then we have the all projects tab. So here you can click on the all projects tab in order to see all of your projects. Basically, when you click on it, it is going to redirect you on the home page. Now the editor is divided into three main areas. First of all, we have this center workspace. This is where your floor plan is going to appear. Then we have the left toolbar, which is going to contain all of the navigation and the design related options. We also have this top bar, which includes your view control, whether you want to view your model in 2D or 3D. Then we have the undo and the redo options here on the top. Afterwards, we have some of the options relating to the settings. On the left hand side, again, you will see some of the icons too for the rooms, for furnitures, decorations, and other design elements. So these icons change based on what you are working on currently. So first of all, in order to create the room, Planner 5D automatically starts with a basic square room in front of you. By default, it will be in the zoom mode, but you can also zoom it out with the help of the scroll wheel on your mouse. Now, when you click on the wall of this particular square, you can drag them inward or outward to change the size. When you click on the room, when you go to its settings, you can also basically make changes into the dimensions of it very easily. You can change its thickness, the flooring height, the room height as well with the help of this drag and drop feature. This is especially useful if you are designing the spaces with different ceiling heights and raised floors. You can also rename the room if needed, which helps when designing multiple spaces like bedrooms, kitchen, and living rooms. After that, when you hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of build, you are going to see some of the further options, like we have walls, doors, stairs, landings, openings, etc. So if you want to divide the room into the two sections, you just have to click on the option of draw wall. After that, you need to place this particular brush in the center of this wall, and then you just have to drag and drop it in between in order to basically make the partition of this particular room into two sections. Now, adding the door and the windows is also very simple. You can just go to the section of the doors. Over here, you can select whether it is a entry room or the doors option you are going to get here. You can click on it and you can place the front door just like so. Once it is placed successfully, you can anytime resize or reposition it precisely. So this makes it super easy to experiment with the layouts before finalizing anything. Now, one of the most powerful features of a Planner 5D is that you are going to see these two toggle buttons on the top. Right now we are seeing our model in 2D, but you can click on the option of the 3D view in order to see the realistic representation of your space. So as you can see, this is the room which I have created, and it is looking something like this. Now, after placing the walls and the door, when you switch to the 3D mode, it is instantly going to give you a walkthrough of your design. You can anytime rotate it and you can zoom in or out to see how your room is actually going to feel visually. So this particular step is extremely helpful for understanding the propositions and the spacing related details. Then when you go to the option of the 2D tab in order to add further things over here, we have bedroom, living room, office, and we also have the option of furnitures. So here, when you click on the option of the left hand side, you can select the option of furnitures here. After that, you can select which furniture you want to add inside your room. So you can choose any of these furnitures that are available. So let's say I want to add a table. You just have to click on the table, then select any of the tables, then drag and drop it here inside your room. After that, you can select the object and you can change the item's material by clicking on this option. Then we have the option of the dimensions of this particular object too. You can place it wherever you want it. Then again, you can view it in the 3D model. So this way, you can use the furniture and the interior items. After that, once you are done with the editing, you can click on the option of the save on the top right hand corner of the screen, and all of your changes will be saved successfully. In order to download your project, you may need to subscribe for the pro version. But if you see the option of free version here to download it, you can just simply look at it here in the settings. So this is how you can use Planner 5D in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.